You said is our Lord Chaitanya's pastimes only in the material world and spiritual world.
Yes.
Please show me. People may be saying they're in the spiritual world in Loka Vrindavan. Please show me Praman.
There's no. That's
There's
why I'm
none.
asking.
There's none. In the spiritual world, Chaitanya is Krishna. Gadadhar Pandit is Radharani. They don't need to be. They don't need to carry that form up there.
Yes.
When Krishna wants to be here in this world, he becomes Chaitanya. And Radharani wants to be here, to be with him. And they're together all the time, traveling. Radharani becomes Gadadhar Pandit. Chaitanya is not half Krishna and half Radharani, which is another interesting point.
Yeah.
Sri Krishna Chaitanya Radha Krishna Mahayana Nahi. Nahi means no, Nahi means not. It is not. Nahi Satyam. Sri Krishna Chaitanya Radha Krishna Mahayana Nahi Satyam. This is not true.
Yes. Oh, I'm like so happy to hear for this,
The truth liberates, but then the truth creates responsibility not to disturb others.
Yes.
If someone seeks, they find. But if one is not seeking, don't disturb.
Yes.
If someone is found, someone's seeking to find something secure and balanced and happy. And if they're there, nice. Don't disturb. No need to assert yourself, to prove yourself. You be the flower, and bees want to come, they come. They don't want to come, they don't come. This analogy of Nikunja Gopal Swami and Vita